Not at the table, Carlos. Not at the table. That is so nasty. Seriously. Oh, yeah, you like that. You just need to stop. That is so disgustingly disgusting. Do you think people want to see you doing that in public? He's still going at it. He's like, this is wild. You're a wild man, dude. Wild.
Nasty. He's bad. I think he died from pure exhaustion. Let him go.
He died. He used up all his energy. Wake up, dude. Hey, wake up. Oh my god, he's dead. Oh my god. Wake up.
Not at the table, Carlos. Not at the table.
Yo, Carlos, you're just going at it today, aren't you? Jeez. Two at the same time. Oh my gosh, you are just disgusting, Carlos. Disgusting. This is not cool, dude. Not cool. Okay, I think we need to end this, because this is just nasty.